heart and bowed down, so my song is too distant. For I am not so fickle or vain that I might long wait for that of which I cannot be sure. For of a lady when she lies in her promises, a lover does not know on what to depend. And how should I rejoice then, if with her in whom worth is sovereign, I cannot find assured words, nor have I the power to make the bargain? If she does me wrong or dark semblances, for in the world there is no rock nor wall that could defend me against her. With false words and with long delays, ladies make courtly men into villains. For no one is so noble or humble that his heart does not catch fire when another takes the hardships meant for him. But I do not make such great grievances of it, nor do I seek amends for death. Now while the shadow is on the rushes and the weather is clear and sweet, ladies must well make sure those whom it pleases them to have set their minds on them. And if I have spoken many wild words of it, may mercy which breaks many strong obstacles, I pray, make my lady surrender herself to me. Just as the rose among 1,000 thorns is nobler than flowers of other kinds, among false, lying slanderers, my lady dwells in her tent, so that none of these perjurers harms her. She began nobly with good omens, a worth that should not descend through them. Vengeance of blows or of beatings does not belong to love or to its way.